Hello everyone and welcome back to Genie Crafts. In today's video, we will see how we can create this simple and beautiful looking paper flower. In my future videos, I'll be showing how to create different forms of paper flower, but we'll start this paper flower series with this simple flower. So let's get started. So this flower is composed of different layers and each layer has the same flower outline. The only difference is that these layers differ in size. So to get my flower outline layer or the design for the outline of the flower, I simply googled flower outline and I chose this particular design, and then with the help of a PowerPoint or any other image editing software, you can create different sizes for the same outline and then take a printout of it. For my flower, I have chosen this pastel pink color, which will form the different layers of the flowers. You can also use paper clips to hold your template in place. It's not necessary that you have to glue your templates on your craft paper. To cut out the flower outlines, I am using FISKARS paper cutting knife with A11 blades. Since the thickness of the paper that I am using is only 100 GSM, my craft paper is of 100 GSM thickness and we have 75 GSM thickness of the template layer, so A11 blade can easily be used to cut this much thickness. So using this blade or using your own paper cutting knife, cut out all the flower outlines and ready them for assembly. And here are all the layers that I have cut out, the different sizes for each layer. So the smallest layer is the innermost layer and the biggest layer is the outermost layer. Next step is to shape these layers so that you can see that flower shape coming. So the innermost layers will be the ones that will be curved most. Then the outermost layer will start getting flat. To give that shaping, take a foam sheet or any soft sheet which you can press, because we are going to put paper on it, and press with the help of a dotting tool or any circular object that you have. So I have a dotting tool in hand, but the one that I'm going to use is the back of one of my knife, which has a circular shape at the end. So I'm going to utilize that to create indentations and pressure marks into the cutout shapes that I have. Do not worry too much if you see wrinkles forming on your paper, because at the end these will be covered by outer layers, as well as there will be a center that will be creating. To give the curves to the leaf, you can use a toothpick or any cylindrical object and try to curve the layers with the help of it. The more pressure that you will apply, the more curve you are going to get. Finally, once you have sufficient curve done on your flower, then you can simply take all the leaves in your hand and try to curl them together to give it a closed shape. Similarly, prepare the second layer by creating the curves and creating a closed loop of petals in the second layer also. And once you are done, you should be able to place the first layer inside the second layer, so it will start giving you the structure of a flower. Once you have the few inner layers ready, then we can start gluing it. The gluing process is very simple. You can use Fevicol or any transparent glue and simply apply little glue at the base of layer 1, then stick it with the base of layer 2, then layer 3, layer 4. No need to apply too much glue. Just a small amount of glue will do the trick. Once you are done assembling all the layers of the flower petals, take a strip of black paper or dark brown paper and using a scissor, cut closely spaced cuts. Do not cut the entire strip, just leave a small width at the top intact. Do not cut that, and cut these strips on the other side. So this we are going to utilize to create the center of the flower. So once we are done with this cutting, then we are going to roll it up like a quilling circle and we are going to place it at the center of the flower. stick the roll of that black cut strip that you have just created at the center of the flower, so it will look good in contrast against the pastel pink color of the flower petals. Accidentally my alignment got a little bit here and there, so all the layers were not centrally aligned, but I'll take care of it next time. This was just first experiment of me creating paper flowers, and I am going to show a lot many more techniques to create those flowers much more easier than this technique also, and I will show you how to prepare templates for those easy techniques in the future videos. Lastly, to give the flower a stem, I took this leaf green shade paper and created a pipe out of it, cut the appropriate length and stuck it at the bottom of the flower, the base of the flower, so that I have something to hold on to. I hope you guys enjoyed this simple paper flower video, and I'll definitely be coming up with many more such paper flower videos in future. If you guys liked the video, then please do not forget to hit the like button and share this with your friends. Also do subscribe to my channel for regular videos on paper arts, and I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Till then, stay safe, take care and bye bye.